Hello everyone. So in today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, the rise of AI agents marks a massive shift in our interaction with technology. These intelligently designed systems promise to transform mundane, laborious tasks into streamlined, efficient processes, dynamically changing daily operations and potentially relieving individuals of countless hours of effort. So on average, people spend up to 7 hours online daily, which is nearly 17 years of engagement in digital activities. So predicting AI agents adaptively manage tasks such as research, shopping, booking flights, organizing logistics, managing calendars, and handling expense reporting. So adopting AI in these areas could significantly reduce the time dedicated to such tasks, opening up new avenues for productivity and leisure. So the journey of AI from its inception in the mid 20th century to its present boom traces a story of ambition, setbacks, and breakthroughs. From the early days of symbolic AI to the current era of machine learning and neural networks, every phase brought us closer to crafting agents capable of autonomous thinking and interaction. So today, AI agents are making substantial impact across various sectors by enhancing automation and decision-making capabilities and introducing higher level of efficiency and personalization. They are revolutionizing industries from healthcare with improved diagnostic systems and administrative task automation to finance with sophisticated fraud detection mechanism and personalized financial advisory services. Similarly, retail experiences are being personalized like never before, and sophisticated AI-driven systems make logistical operations more efficient. But there are various challenges and integrations also. So as AI continues to evolve, its integration into daily life become more profound, extending to personal finance management, home automation, and even enhancing educational experience and mental health support. However, this seamless integration also brings critical ethical considerations. So the balance between leveraging AI for its immense benefits while addressing privacy, security, and human elements of interaction remain a pivotal challenge. Moreover, the advent of multi-agent systems showcase the collective problem-solving capabilities of AI systems, hinting at the future where collaboration between intelligent agents can tackle complex issues more efficiently than ever before. Yet the importance of natural language processing cannot be overstated for AI to effectively transform our world. The ability of AI agents to understand, interpret, and generate human language is crucial for meaningful interactions between humans and machines, laying the groundwork for a future where AI agents could become more personal assistants, healthcare advisors, and educational tools, and more. So, emerging consumer behavior and the future web. So, AI agents are also set to redefine consumer behavior, offering personalized experience that could profoundly influence purchasing decisions and trust. However, as the web evolves to accommodate these technologies, businesses and developers must adapt to the landscape where AI agents could dominate, necessitate robust interface for direct communication between machines. So further, if we talk about organization adaptation in the AI era. So organization at the cusp of this transformation work necessitates a strategic re-evaluation of their roles by codifying knowledge, aligning IT systems for AI integrations, and maintaining human oversight. They can navigate the challenge of integrating AI into their operations. So in conclusion, the ascendancy of AI agents herald the future brimming with potential, promising enhanced operational efficiency and reshaped interaction with technology that could redefine our lives. As we stand on this change, the collective challenge and opportunities lie in steering this technological revolution towards a future that enrich the human expertise while addressing the ethical and practical difficulties head on. Thank you very much.